Okay, Sir David is coming. To be followed by Sir Daot.
Hello guys.
Welcome
I climb every mountain, I swim every ocean. Just to be with you. I swim every ocean. Just to be with you. And then what's next? Daot yun. Why?
Okay, guys. Paakyat naman tayo sa Twin Island. Go, carry yan. Go, Ra.
Uy, tumba.
So, kasama namin yung may-ari. Si Ma'am Sarah.
Sara Duterte?
Go, Sara Duterte. The Vice President is here in Twin Island.
Twin Island owned by
Owned by Sarah. Sara Duterte Timan. Three. Why? Sige sir, kaya mo yan. Oo. The coconut giant. Finally, nandito na kayo. Woo!
Finally, we're the top of Mount Everest. Alright.
Unya, kumusta ang hangak, sir?
Mas mabilis mahangak yung matatangos yung ilong, hindi katulad ng ilong natin na kahit parang palwa ng lubig.
Kumusta ang hangak, sir?
May hangak.
May hangak?
May hangak, saan mo lang? Kaya akong kabugat.
Oo, sir. Go, sir.
Okay ba ang kahoy?
Yes po, okay. Naghugot ka lagi. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Andyan na si Sir Daot. Why?
Puso ng saging. Ang puso ng saging kinain mo sa Niblik Cebu.
Wala na.